Nestled in the heart of Anaheim, this meticulously maintained 3-bedroom, 1.5-bathroom home offers a blend of style and functionality. As you step inside, you are greeted by an inviting living room with large picture windows that flood the space with natural light, creating an inviting space. Next to the living room, a separate dining area provides the perfect setting for hosting gatherings, featuring ample space for a large dining table. The kitchen is a chef's dream, featuring upgraded countertops, stainless steel appliances, a subway tile backsplash, and custom fixtures. For those who work from home or need extra space, an additional built-out office area provides the perfect solution. Step outside to the expansive backyard, where you'll find a sparkling pool with Pebble Tek, perfect for enjoying warm summer days with family and friends. The backyard is wired for outdoor lights, creating a magical ambience for evening gatherings. With 1,340 square feet of living space and situated on a generous lot spanning 8,034 square feet, this home is a true gem. With its thoughtful upgrades, spacious layout, and prime location, this residence is sure to exceed your expectations and provide a place you'll be proud to call home. Call today to schedule your exclusive private showing.